Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn about Google Ads. So first, what are Google Ads? Google Ads, previously we known Google AdWords, is a pay-per-click advertising platform and pay-per-click advertising model that allows you to reach wide audience by placing well-timed ads for your products across various websites. In here, you can see the interface of Google Ads platform. When we do our practical work, we done this from here. So now let's jump into our Google Ads basics. Google's often utilize search ads, but you can go for other types for ads such as YouTube display or shopping ads depending on your budgets and needs. So now we just search on Google Ads, and then we get this interface, and in this interface we see sign in or start now. If we click in sign in, then it take into Google Ad platform. So we click in sign in, and then Google Ads say you don't have any Google Ads accounts. Would you like to create a new one? From here we can create new Google Ads account or switch Google account. So if you create from here, you can click on new Google Ads account or switch Google account. Switch account means if you have already Google account in your Gmail, then you can find it here, and a new Google Ads account you can create new one. Okay, now we can see the interface of Google Ads. Here you can see our search engine result page or SERPs. Here is Google, and when we search anything, we type here. You see here fitness coach, and when we find fitness coach, Google show these results. And look here, ad, or now it is called sponsored. First result is this, and this is Google Ad. Secondly, the result second position, and then third, fourth, that's. So now if I search on Google on fitness coach, then you can see some result in our SERP page, search engine or result page. So here the result are organic because there are no sponsored icon or text, which is here. Okay, so I scroll down. Here, sponsored, and that's our Google Ad. Look, this is updated version because this is old, and previously Google called it ad, but now it called or show sponsored text. So here is Google Ads. This is a website, and this website is about fitness training, official website, get started today. So if we visit this website, we see that this is our fitness related website, and the website or the website owner create or run ad on Google Ads. Okay, so this is our website, and when the ad is active, the result is here. Okay, so in Google Ads we can create these types of ads. I scroll down and then show you how many sponsored ad. Next result, second results. Okay, so this is Google Ads. So now we need to learn, do Google Ads work? It is working. Okay, Google Ad give you access to a very wide audience that you can target based on hundreds of data points. You can power up ads to target every type of customer regardless of where they are in the customer journey and get results very quickly. In the short term, we can say search campaigns will drive much more traffic to your business than SEO. While SEO is indispensable for sustainable growth and continuous online presence, and SEO means search engine optimization, and Google Ads means SEM or search engine marketing. In here, our result, we find some result that is not sponsored, and this is SEO, or this appeared here for the work of or practice of SEO. That means this is organic result that rank on Google. And if we see this result, this is SEM or search engine marketing, or we can call it Google Ads, because here we can see sponsored icon or sponsored text. So here is the main difference between SEO or SEM. When we use SEM or Google Ad, our result or our website or our ad will appear when we pay Google, or how much day or how day we can pay Google platform. And then if our ad is closed, then the result is vanished from here. But the SEO or these results are always in top or second or third position. Look here, this is first result, and then second, third, fourth, fifth here. Okay, so this is the difference between SEO and SEM. So now, why advertise on Google, or why we can use Google to run our ad? 68% of all customer purchases start with an online search. That's right, because when I want to see about fitness coach related topic or video or lessons, I just go to Google and search them. And 92% of those occur on Google. Running Google ads with content relevant to the search results gives you a leg up in your niche. Running paid campaigns also gives your organic search results a boost and helps give you more exposure on the search result page or ACRPs. And if you are in a competitive industry, relying solely on organic traffic means that you will rank worse than your competition, even if you trade in a top-notch products. Okay. You must include Google ads in your paid advertising strategy alongside Instagram and Facebook ads, because that is very important, and test out different types of campaigns and different ad targeting. So that's why Google ads are very important for a business or a brand or a product. So we can use Google to run our ads or our marketing purpose. So that's it in today's video. In our next video, we learn about how does Google Ads work.